Hi everyone, my name is Kanika Kush, and today's video is about any of you who are contemplating registering yourself or admitting yourself for inner child therapy. And I'll tell you why it is probably important for everybody in the whole wide world for the simple reason. Hear me out, okay? A child is born to two parents. Those two parents are not twins. Even twins are, never identical, okay? So two people get together from very different backgrounds and then they decide to have a child. You are their child, ठीक है? अच्छा, सबके backgrounds बहुत अलग होंगे. फिर जिन्होंने थोड़ी बहुत साइंस पढ़ी है उनको पता है हाउ जेनेटिक्स वर्क, राइट? तो आपको जी उनका इतना मिलेगा, इनका इतना मिलेगा, खुद का लेके आए हो आप. एंड देन अगर स्पिरिचुअली बात करनी है तो जी आप तो पुराना भी लेके आ रहे हो, आप अपना एनवायरनमेंट का ले रहे हो, आप अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस का ले रहे हो, जेनेटिक्स इज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ इट. एंड एक होता है जो आप खुद बना रहे हो, राइट? तो यार आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ अस हैव फ्रॉम आवर चाइल्डहुड uh, experienced a lot, each one of us without exception. Without exception. And the reasons why we are doing certain things or responding to things in a certain way is because of our childhood, because of our early experiences. Isn't that so? राइट? तो यार उतना अर्ली एक्सपीरियंसेस हुए ना, सम ऑफ देम मे बी सो अमेजिंग एंड मे बी वीव बीन ब्रॉट अप इन अ वे दैट मेड अस स्ट्रॉन्गर, दैट मेड अस अंडरस्टैंड राइट फ्रॉम रॉन्ग. और व्हेन आई से राइट फ्रॉम रॉन्ग, वी ऑल हैव वेरी डिफरेंट डेफिनेशंस ऑफ राइट फ्रॉम रॉन्ग, बट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज आपकी परिभाषा में, आपकी जो परिभाषा है उसके अंदर राइट रॉन्ग क्या है, उस हिसाब से आपकी जिंदगी सही चल रही है, ठीक है. लेकिन फिर भी कितनी बार होता नहीं है दैट वी काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन आवरसेल्व्स कि व्हाई एम आई डूइंग दिस, ये कहाँ से आता है, वाई डू आई डू दिस. नाउ मोस्ट ऑफ अस गेट कैरीड अवे इन द डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज एंड वी डोंट रियली पे हीड टू दैट लिटिल वॉइस विच इज आस्किंग अस वाई डू वी डू दिस, एंड देन देर आर सम ऑफ अस, आई विल कंसिडर माई सेल्फ देयर इंक्लूडेड इन दैट गिनती, कि why, and this why comes after a lot of hurt, by the way, a lot of pain. So when that comes, you start to question, because you also start to accept yourself, and you start to kind of acknowledge your presence and don't dismiss your own self. Like कोई reason है ना कि मैं भी हूँ यहाँ पर. जब वो acceptance आ जाती है तब आप questioning start करते हो कि अगर कोई reason है मेरे इस दुनिया में होने के लिए तो फिर मैं ऐसे क्यों हूँ. That's when the seeking begins and you go inside yourself, okay? But now you may go inside through various techniques. For me, various techniques भी थे, but the one that landed me closest to why I behave in a certain way and why I am in a certain way was inner child therapy. So I basically approached this person. His name is Ashwini Sharma, and he's of course a very senior and very experienced executive coach, but he also has a spiritual side to him and a very deep psychological understanding of life. So, and I've obviously personally known him. That's how he helped me with this, okay? So this is a little disclaimer in case you go see his profile and you wonder that यहाँ पे तो यार कुछ और ही credentials लिखे हैं. He's also a person who's good at a lot of things. So I went to him actually for past life regression, कि यार मेरे को ना समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि मैं कुछ चीज़ें महसूस ही नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, so please do past life regression for me. And he immediately, I think, understood that it's not past life or anything, it is this life, and you have to just deal with your childhood traumas or childhood demons or whatever, deal. So there is a thing called blame, and then there is something called dealing. Now the later you do this, the more painful it is, for the simple reason कि आप बन गए हो, आप form हो गए, you solidified, you stiffened. It's very tough, but in the same breath, I would like to say that if nahi, actually, it doesn't matter what age you are. Even if you are, let's say, 90 right now and you're listening to this and पूरी जिंदगी निकल गई आपकी and आपके आगे 10-15 साल बच जाए, given all technology and everything, you're in a healthy state, even if you're not, but you still feel यार मुझे समझना है मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ, ऐसी क्यों हूँ, तब भी please invest some time in inner child therapy, okay? Therapy, isko wo mat samajhna, it's not a walk in the park at all. It's quite tough. It's very tough. You come face to face with your demons, and when I say demons, no, don't consider it like a bad thing. Demons is, it's the truth, it's the on your face truth. That's what demons are. हम ना demons को बहुत, बेचारों को बहुत बुरा reputation मिला हुआ है, right? Demons are nothing else but just you coming face to face with yourself in the mirror, and that can be devastating, yet it is liberating. I'm standing here in front of you, I'm telling you, it's been a very long journey, and I will have it no other way, because बहुत समझना था मुझे कि ये क्यों, why why. So the why came into place. So last May, I would like to leave you with what you can expect in case you are even contemplating it. What you can expect from this program will be, first, make sure that you go to a very good practitioner and not random people who are masquerading that हमें ये आता है वो आता है, वो मत करना यार. Don't let anybody play with your emotions, your body, your psychology, your spirituality ever. So anybody who's going to perform anything on you, whether it is mental, physical, spiritual, you have to really do your due diligence, okay, a lot. That's a little cautionary word. But once you've placed your trust in somebody, then surrender to that person. That's also very important. You need to place your full trust in that person. I did that. I did, and I surrendered fully. तभी तो वो कर पाएंगे ना अपना काम. So that'll be number one. And number two, don't be scared. डोंट बी स्कैर्ड. आप अपने आप में ही जा रहे हो. अब सबके एक्सपीरियंसेस अलग होंगे. मेरा बहुत अलग था. इट ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स ना आपके क्या एक्सपीरियंसेस हुए हैं. किसी दो लोगों के सेम हो ही नहीं सकते. इट्स आउट ऑफ क्वेश्चन, राइट? सो आई कांट इवन टेल यू ये होगा वो होगा, बट व्हाट आई कैन टेल यू विद अ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस इज दैट देयर विल बी अ लॉट ऑफ अनएक्सपेक्टेड इमोशंस दैट विल कम आउट. इट्स ऑल राइट, हैंग इन देयर. It's okay. They're just emotions. चले जाएंगे. Don't worry about it. Okay? See the goal. Understand that you're understanding yourself. और क्या है इस दुनिया में यार अपने आप को समझने के अलावा? मुझे समझ नहीं आता. मुझे नहीं समझ आता लोग ऐसे मटेरियल गोल्स क्यों बनाते हैं. I really don't understand. And people are being so unkind and insensitive. मेरे को ये समझ ही नहीं आता है कि सामने तुम्हारे लोग गिर रहे हैं, मर रहे हैं, किसी को हेल्प चाहिए, लेकिन इतना लॉजिक यूज़ करके लोग बोलते हैं कि नहीं, बट दे नीड टू डू इट फॉर देमसेल्व्स एंड इट्स ओनली फेयर. यू ले सो मच लॉजिक in explaining tragedy or loss of other people, not realizing कि आप अपने आप को भी कुछ ज़्यादा भाव नहीं दे रहे हो, आप अपने आप को भी बिट्रे कर रहे हो. So that's where I'm coming from. The biggest highest respect you can give to yourself is to try and understand who you are and put in the work. ऊपर से नहीं, go deep in. ऊपर जाके नीचे से निकलो, नीचे जाके ऊपर से निकलो. जो मज़ा आएगा ना यार उसके बाद, it will be like mind blowing. So hope this helps, and I'm a big fan and endorser, if that's a word, and an experienced person of the inner child therapy or inner child, whatever you want to call it. Basically, going and meeting your inner child, dealing with him or her, and then allowing that person to talk to you. That's basically your voice. Your voice is जो आप बचपन में थे, वो आपकी voice है. So hope this helps anybody who is contemplating it, and maybe these were little tiny pieces of, I think, an experienced person or a fellow human being. So if these help, then give me a thumbs up niche. I would understand that you have listened to the whole thing and it's making sense. That will really help me यार. And देख लो आप चाहे मेरे सारे subscribers कितने हैं, followers कितने हैं. If you can believe me, I really don't believe in all this. I'm truly sharing what I believe in. Every time I stumble upon something, I like to share कि देखो यार मेरे को ये समझ आया, मैं तुमको भी बता देती हूँ. I really come from that background. So, but yes, I mean, I would love that people subscribe to my channel, of course. But that's not what I'm after, is what I'm saying. So all the best, and I hope you find the best person to do this with. And cheers everyone. Bye.